Hi, I'm Tom Jarvis, National Brand Development Manager for Keylite Roof Windows. Just a little about us. Keylite is a multi-award winning manufacturer. We have been making quality roof windows for nearly 20 years. What makes Keylite different is the innovation that is cleverly engineered into all of our roof windows, making them faster and easier to install. Warmer with assured thermal performance and lower with a streamlined fit, all as standard and at no extra cost. Keylite's ethos is all about smart solutions to enhance the product performance, but also how our customers experience our products. In this demonstration, I will tell you about some of these unique patented features designed with installers in mind. This makes life easier, but also ensures excellent performance. The first thing you'll notice with a Keylite on opening the box is our pre-installed flick fit brackets. These come as standard on every roof window and make fitting the roof window much quicker and easier. There's no more routing around for separate brackets which you then have to screw into place. With a Keylite roof window, the brackets simply flick into position. The bracket instruction guide is conveniently placed on top of the window for handy reference. For ease, there are two bracket height presets, blue for tile up to 90mm and slate profiles up to 6mm. Keylite, removing and reinserting the sash has never been easier. Unlike other brands, Keylite's sash hinge fingers are spring-loaded. This lets the installer relocate the sash quickly and safely and saves time, especially with larger window units in challenging roof locations. A Keylite roof window sits up to 50% lower on a tiled roof. Therefore, Keylite's windows are more streamlined and less obtrusive than any other roof window brand, but also improves the thermal performance and influences the home buyer's decision. This superior aesthetic finish in the roof is a real advantage for projects such as conservation. Leaving the best to last, perhaps Keylite's smartest innovation is the patented integrated expanding thermal collar. This fills the performance gap on every roof window installation. Research has shown that 97% of roof windows are installed without a thermal collar. Keylite has taken ownership of this issue, and through extensive research and development, Keylite has eliminated the installation weakness and filled the gap with our expanding thermal collar. Supplied on every roof window we manufacture, this dense foam insulates the gap around the window between the frame and the roof to combat thermal bridging and protect against condensation and mould. The foam expands up to 40mm and is activated by pulling on these 4 red tabs located on all 4 corners of the roof window. This solution is mess-free, reduces potential of customer legacy issues and saves on any additional cost for insulation material. We have many more unique features and benefits which makes fitting our product easier, reduces maintenance and enhanced performance, as well as an extensive range of products, finish and glazing options. I would love to tell you more about what we can offer. Please let me know if there is anything specific you would like to know, or alternatively book one of our toolbox talks on site. Thanks for your time.